Hey guys, so we're currently running Kaci on a bath. He's tired, so we finna just get him in the bathtub. We finna just get him in the bathtub and wipe it down, wash his little hair, and put him in bed, y'all. He really tired. He was asleep before. He was asleep before we came home, but he woke up when we put him in the bed. So yeah, hold on. You gonna get in there and get him? He trying to get his toys. Hold on. Let me sit y'all somewhere. You finna get them toys. You finna get your toys. He's trying to get these toys, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna use tonight. I usually use Halo Balo. Or is it Balo Halo? It's Halo Balo. I usually use this one. And I got multiple of these, but I'm not gonna use that tonight. I'm gonna use this one because my whole house smells like watermelon, and this is watermelon. So why not stick with the, you know, I know I'm extra, but still. So I'm gonna wash him down with this. This is 3-in-1, I know, but I know this is gonna burn his eyes. So I'm not gonna pick this in his hair. So I'm gonna use this baby shampoo to go in his hair. How did you manage to splash water weird? Okay, but yeah, so we just gonna go ahead and get that done, y'all. I'm finna just wipe him down, let him play with his. Look at him. Ew, stop sucking the water off those, Kaci, no. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and wipe him down, clean his hair, and look at me about to fall. We'll be back with y'all when I get done doing all that. My Shayla! Why y'all here? What y'all think about that TikTok man? Y'all, I worked so hard to get my followers on TikTok just for this to happen. Like, I didn't even make it to 10K yet, but I was almost there. Like, I was 2,000 from making it a freaking 10. And they took it. Like, no, you don't stand up in the bathtub. They took it. So now it's like, oh my gosh, I gotta get back on YouTube. Like, I gotta go hard on YouTube. Stop. Baba! No! You cannot drink this water. Yeah, no. You can't drink this water. That's not good for you. You still little. No, Baba. So, yeah, I'm really hurting. My Shayla. You get what I'm saying? Like, literally, that's what everybody's talking about right now. So, I thought I would film this YouTube for y'all because it's like, it's a day in our life. Well, not day, but night. And we literally do this like almost every night. So I always had a video for TikTok. But I never thought they would ban TikTok for a stupid reason. Because you think they taking our data. Not everybody on Red Note. They really can get our data. You know what I'm saying? Like, because there's that app. But this junk is crazy, God. Like, I'm really hurting. I don't know what to do. Like, I was so close to being able to get paid. So, hopefully, y'all can make me big on here. Hopefully, I reach my goal before the end of the year. I want to reach, like, 2,000 before the end of the year. So, I'm going to try to put my hardest in and be consistent. And be consistent with y'all. And, you know, just keep posting for y'all. No! Kaci, sit up. Stop. So, no. Kaci. Y'all, Kaci currently in there trying to put him to sleep. I ain't gonna say he's asleep. We trying to put him to sleep. Well, his daddy's trying to put him to sleep. I'm finna finish straightening up. And then I'm gonna get in the shower. And then we gonna call it quits from there. I'm making cookies, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the cookies. Hold on. I just took these cookies out. I don't think they done though because these not, you know, but these done. But They're not done. I don't know how that even. I don't know. These cookies. And I made this one for Kaci, but he's going to sleep, so yeah. Yeah, Kaci's in there fighting. He do not want to go to sleep. I think I need to move my rats up. I feel like that's why them cookies didn't finish cooking, because some of my rats are too close to the thing. So I'm gonna try to put it back in there and let them finish cook. Hopefully they don't. Cause they burn, I'm gonna be hurt. So we gonna see how that works. If it don't work, then oh well. So yeah, I got my Valentine's Day decorations out. They're so cute. It says "Let Love Grow." They're so cute. I'm obsessed. But let me clean y'all. Y'all, I'm so upset. We bought Kaci glass bottles. He had the little ones and the big ones. Y'all, tell me why I only got, he had 6 in all. Tell me why I only got 4. They done broke 2 bottles, and it was 2 of the big ones, the ones he need now. They didn't break 2 little ones. They broke the 2 9-ounce ones. Kaci broke one, and then John Warren broke one. Now I don't have nothing to feed him out of but one big bottle. But it's okay, because I'm slowly transitioning him out of bottles. I bought him a lot of cups. I think I bought him like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think he got 6 cups in all. I'm not sure, but it's either 5 or 6. I'm not sure, but every time I go in the store, I make sure to pick up him a cup, because I'm trying to transition him out of drinking out of bottles, because he's almost 11 months. He just turned 10 months on the 14th of January. So yeah, so I'm trying to get him out of sucking bottles, because you know that bottle nipples anyway mess up your teeth, and I don't want him to have an overbite. So I'm slowly trying to take him off of bottles and put him in cups. I've been working on it. Like, he won't take certain cups. Like, it was a cup I bought, y'all. That's the only cup he would drink out of. Why lose it? Why lose it? I don't have a clue what that cup is. And everybody, I've been asking everybody, like, have y'all seen his cup? Have y'all seen his cup? And everybody's like, no, no, no. I hope it's not in his brother's car, because when his brother went to Japan, we did have his car, and that's the last place I remember Kaci having his bottle, was in that car. So he probably had to tell his brother to check and see if it's in there. I'm not sure, but y'all, I really need that cup, because that's the only one my baby will drink out of. I bought him the regular cups and the ones with nipples. He got some with straws. He got one with a straw, because I haven't taught him how to drink out of a straw yet. That's why I need to be giving him that one, because he need to learn how to drink out of a straw. But, you know, I haven't, quite frankly, gave it to him, so he haven't learned yet. But y'all, that's currently what I'm working on. It's nothing too much. Y'all, Case is huge. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow when he's not asleep. But yeah, so I'm finna just finish cleaning up. I'll talk to y'all when I'm doing. Y'all, it's currently Sunday, and I think it's like 6:30. 6:30? I'm not sure. We started cooking late. Let's see what time we finish cooking. All because I've been asleep all day. But y'all, I'm in the midst of making the potato salad. I already got the eggs boiling. I'm gonna add these in it and let these cook. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to cook some canned yams. What else? I'm gonna try to fry some chicken. I'm gonna fry some chicken, some potato salad, canned yams. This potato salad. I don't know, I'm gonna cook some broccoli. I think I'm gonna cook some broccoli because I ain't got no greens at all. So I wish I had some collards. And I could go get some, but I don't feel like it. So we're gonna have to work with what we got, guys. Yeah, I be trying to make enough to have leftovers. If I could take my mama out. Cause she asked me what I was gonna cook today, and I told her I didn't know. So if I have leftovers, I can take it to her. Because she got to the point she don't got to cook no more. Ugh. You know what that means. Yeah. I didn't get a tablecloth on my table. Because it's glass. And it's just be getting all dirty. Smudges and stuff. Got some chicken. Some baking soda. I'm gonna cook this one for Kaci. crush the eggs. I be using these pasta noodles. My pants on backwards. Is that candle wet? Got it. Yeah, look at Kaci eating. He got some mac and cheese and some Korean. He has some chicken, but the little piece I said was for him is not cooled down yet, so I haven't given him no chicken. I don't know if he like potato salad. I have never gave him no potato salad, so I'm gonna let him taste it out of my plate, and then I'm gonna see if he like it, and then I'm gonna give him some. This little piece I said was for Kaci, y'all. It's a little baby drum. I need to break it up for him. And I only eat flats, so flats it is for me. I just mop my floors. Sheep is black. Look what he just did. Look at this. Yeah, I just mop my floors. Literally. Are you proud of yourself? Gorilla. This is what our Sunday meal looking like. I'm so mad I had no cornbread or rolls or biscuits, nothing like that. But it's okay. There's fried chicken, the mac and cheese, the potato salad, the canned yams. You wanna try this? You wanna try this? I'm gonna try that. You like that? Yeah, I actually like these little noodles. I actually like those. You get all the benefits of Walmart Plus for half the price. Link free delivery. I only use those because I ain't have no more elbow noodles. And I bought these the other day when I was gonna make what was I gonna make? I forgot what I was gonna. Oh, I was gonna make my ranch chicken pasta. He's trying to eat the food off his bed. I was gonna make my ranch chicken pasta, and I was gonna use these because I thought they was bigger. Nah, they was small, so I ain't use them. I used the regular ratatouille noodles. So yeah. But that's that potato salad and canned yams with the mac and cheese. But I'll talk to y'all in the next clip, y'all. Bye, guys. Look at him. You better not. Come on. Y'all, he be trying to stand up. Look how you crawl. Hi, Duda. Hi, Duda. You're so cute. Okay, anyways, y'all. I'm just finna go ahead and straighten up this kitchen. I done mopped the floors up. He trying to stand up on this chair. I'm finna go ahead and straighten up this kitchen. I mopped the floors already, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wash the dishes that we just used. I wash dishes as I cook, but I didn't finish the last little few dishes I used before I got done cooking. And I think I'm gonna empty these pans out and put the food all in one storage bin and put it in the oven or the microwave, and then I'm gonna wash the rest of the pots for I won't have all my pots still dirty and stuff. So yeah, well, then I'm gonna go to the living room. I'm gonna vacuum, and then Kaci, no. And then I'm gonna go over there, I'm gonna vacuum and straighten up the pillows in the chair, and we're gonna call it a night, guys. So yeah, what are you doing? And you made sure you took my decoration, which you did. Get it. Y'all know. Get it. Don't mind his face, y'all. We just ate, so. Yeah, just ate. So I got chicken and mac and cheese all over my face. I already knew he didn't like canned yams, but I learned he don't like potato salad either, so. Yeah. I think it's the onions. I think it's the onions in the potato salad, and I think it's the cinnamon and the canned yams. Cause he eat plain sweet potatoes, He just won't eat kidney yams. And kidney yams are sweet potatoes with sugar and cinnamon. I think it's the cinnamon. So I'm not sure. Right? Right? For him to be only 10 months, he know what he like and he know what he don't like. And I'm really, I really like that because it's easy to learn him. So maybe he'll grow into liking that stuff, but till the end, he don't have to like it. He don't have to like it. Okay, you gonna get back down while mama clean the dishes? Well, thank you. So I done cleaned the house. I resetted the house and cleaned everything. And I done picked the food up. I done cleaned everything. Now I'm finna just take a shower, y'all. But first, I'm going to wash my face. I'm gonna wash my face and brush my teeth first before I get in the shower. I don't know. It's easier for me. Don't care about what y'all talking about. So, yeah. So we just gonna do that. And I know my hair been looking crazy all day. It's because my edges and stuff came up, but that's alright. That's alright. We're finna go to bed, so it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Kaci is still up, y'all. He in there watching TV with y'all one. So, yeah. So I'm gonna have to hurry up and take a quick shower because if I don't and stay gone for too long, he gonna start acting up. Okay, he think I'm gonna eat him. I don't know where he think I'm gonna be going. Yeah, he think I'm gonna be going somewhere. Every time I was like, he think I'm going. Like, while I was in there cooking, and he woke up, and I wasn't in the room, he cut up so bad. So I had to stop cooking and go in there and get him. And he just had woke up, and his daddy was right there with him, but he be wanting to come to me. So I brought him in the kitchen and put him on the floor, and he crawled around until I was done cooking. He crawled around and destroyed everything, basically. Go get some more, so we're gonna make a run to Target or Walmart. You can get it from Target or Walmart. But this is why I used to wash my face with, because everybody always asking like, how your skin so clear? Or what you put on your skin? What's your face routine? And y'all, it's like, my face routine is so simple. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put the eczema relief on. So I don't got eczema. I just been breaking out real bad. Every time I like put hair products on my hair and stuff like that, I break out into hives real bad. So I gotta keep stuff on my face that stop me from having an allergic reaction. So yeah, that's basically what that is. So you just pick that on here. Put that on here. And it leaves your face all glossy, y'all. Look at that. I honestly should have washed my face, brushed my teeth first before I did this, but it's gonna be fine. I just add some more in the morning. So that's how I get my face clear for real, and not bumpy, and look like it's just covered in bumps, because I do wear makeup. So you gotta take care of your skin when you wear makeup. And most people just put on makeup and don't care to take care of their skin. That's what most people mess up at, for real. But that's them. I gotta take care of my skin. That's why people think I'm younger than I am. Somebody thought I was 17 with a whole kid. Somebody thought I was 17 with a whole kid. I'm like, girl, no. Girl, no, I'm not 17. I wish I was still 17. I was having a time when I was 17. But no, I'm not 17. I just turned 24. literally just turned 24. So, yeah. Literally, the beginning of January, I turned 24 years old. January, what? Dang, I forgot my birthday. January 8th, I turned 24. So, yeah. I only do this once out a week, but I haven't did it in like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna do it now. While I'm thinking about it, I take pure coconut oil and I'll just put it on my face. And this is not good for my skin because my skin is oily, so I've got to limit how much oil I put on there. But it's still good for my skin because it stops inflation. It stops the inflation on my face. So, yeah. I just add a little bit of that. To give it that good old gloss. And now, that's my skin routine, y'all. That's basically it. And I was gonna get Kaci a bath, but I'm not gonna get him one because I gave him one last night. And I'm trying to prevent my baby from getting sick again. So I don't want to keep giving him. I think I'm gonna use these. Put him in the shower. I don't want to keep putting him in the cold and heat and stuff like that, messing up his system and what we got going on. So yeah. And I cleaned the bathroom, so all my stuff over there, I ain't moved it back. So let's just brush our teeth before we go and get in the shower because I am tired. It's currently like 10 o'clock, so yeah. Got that. I like to rinse my mouth with 2 mouthwashes. Just give me peroxide. Mixy. Just like that, our breakfast is clean, our face is clean. This is some lip oil on our lip and get in the shower. Yeah, so I will see y'all when I get out the shower. Hi guys, I know y'all probably like where I been, what happened to me. I know I supposed to came back on camera last night after I got out the shower. Y'all, I went to sleep. My baby was asleep, my boyfriend was asleep, I got in bed and I went to sleep too because I was not gonna be up. So we in a whole nother day. And we just came from my mama's house. But let me show y'all Kaci while he up. Oh, where's his clothes at? I just know. Oh boy. Look at Kaci. Stop. You look so white on here. Came from my mama's house. He had on a pretty outfit, y'all. And why are you eating that wipe? Stop. He had on a pretty little his little sweatsuit, but his daddy done took it off and changed his diaper. So yeah. Kaci, you gonna say hi? Kaci, he gets another wipe. Why are you like this? No, these are worth a lot of money that you're not spending. You're broke. You're broke. No, you're broke. Get him out of this sweatsuit. Hold on, Mama, changing clothes. I might take him a bath because I ain't taking one yesterday, but I took him one before yesterday. So it might be bath night tonight. So it depends on how he feeling. Right, Papa? Hey. Depends on how Papa feels. Really? Yeah. What else? Really? Yeah. Okay. Here, I'm gonna put you back on the floor so you can crawl around. Go. Take off. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. 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 Come on, Papa. But that's why I came to show y'all Kaci. Come on. Come on. He going to the bathroom with his daddy. Are you really going to the bathroom with your one? Well, go ahead then. Bye. Anyways, y'all, like I was saying, we just left my mama's house. Let me turn this radio off. I totally forgot I had it on. And now I'm finna start cooking because I had that meal I cooked last night. I only cooked what? But like I was saying, yeah, so the meal I cooked last night, I only cooked enough for me, my niece, and my boyfriend. So we ate all the chicken. Cause I think I only cooked like what 8 pieces of chicken because y'all, I buy little portions of food because I'm only used to feeding me and my boyfriend. But every time I cook, everybody be like, "Why didn't you bring me a plate? Why didn't you bring me a plate?" And it's like everybody live 15 minutes from us. We like the farthest out, so yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Right now, I'm finna just make another course. Hey. What's up? I'm just making another main course for our sides because I cooked a big portion of sides. So I still got sides left over, but we ain't got no more chicken left over. So I'm finna cook a meatloaf. And we're gonna eat the meatloaf with the sides I cooked last night. I don't eat leftovers, but it is what it is. And that food was good last night, so I don't feel like cooking for real. So I'm gonna just bust this meatloaf down, do what I gotta do, and lay down. So, but right now he's finna just put Popeye in the tub because we have been out. And again, the last time I took him a bath was the day before yesterday. And we've been out in public, so everybody need to get bath tonight. That's how I prevent us from getting so sick. I take us baths when we get from outside. And that's how I always prevent us from being sick like everybody else. So now I chopped up my bell peppers. Y'all look. Bell peppers are chopped. I'm finna put this meat in this pan. Okay. Let me move this. Put this meat in this pan. So let's do this. And I took this out early this morning, so it's fully unthawed. But I'll be taking it out when my boyfriend get ready to go to work. And he get up and go to work at 5, so I'll be taking this out around that time. I need to go ahead and wash my hands though because I was outside, but yeah, I'm so ready for this, y'all. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. So we're gonna take these peppers and put them in here. I'll make enough. So see that? That's enough right there. So we're just gonna put that in there. I wish I had some gloves because I don't like touching raw meat, especially now that I got a kid. I try not to touch raw meat when I got nails on because it's hard to clean under your nails. So I hate that I don't got gloves. I had some, but I used them all. So yeah. You gotta make sure you season it up, y'all. Like they said, if you're not seasoned, it's not seasoned. What? You already wiped him down? You wiped him down already? I have it ready by the time you get out. I will have it ready by the time you get out. salt and this garlic. Y'all, I gotta keep my garlic in a regular container because I dropped my garlic container at his 6-month birthday party. So I don't have that no more. Yeah, that's definitely seasoned real good. Okay. And I'll just put a few eggs in here. 2 really, because I don't need that many. Okay, let me take these cloths off. I really want something to mix it with, so we gotta use this because I don't want to touch this. Okay, I think I might have to use my hands. This don't seem like it's gonna work. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use my hands. Hey guys, we just on here to end our vlog. Oh, okay. We on here to end our vlog, y'all. Look at his hair. I just braid his hair, but his hair is so soft that all of it just come out. So I don't even, I'm gonna just stop trying at this point. But yeah, I'm just here to end the vlog. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that link down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified when I post another video. But anyways, bye guys. I love y'all. And this is Laesha checking out.